have a switch here. This one is for hardwood. This one is for carpet. As you can see, if I turn it over and I put it on hard floor, you get like a little squeegee that pops out. And if I put it back on carpet, it goes back again. So squeegee, no squeegee. Squeegee, no squeegee. Now let's see if we can get all of this. Let's see how it works if we can get all of this stuff up. Ooh, I can hear it. I can hear it already going up the tube. Ooh, it's sucking so hard that there's to turn it down. Level. I could have turned it up higher, but I chose not to. So let's get a closer look. See if we can get this stuff up. Mind you, this floor was very dirty. This stuff is genuinely not trash and it's stains, but other than stains, it did very well. And you can take it off and get a little. See how far away that is? You don't even have to. Really get close. If you can pick up this hard plastic.
Well, the on switch on this side, this part retracts the cord. Sorry, there's nothing really on my carpets right now. I've already gone over it once, but I mean other than stains because I have 3 kids. But it seems to do a pretty good job. There's no brushes on the bottom. Just that suction right here that's really, it's pretty good. So it doesn't roll, it just kind of goes, but it goes pretty smooth. Now, without that extra extender right here, it was harder to push, but maybe that's just my height. But it seems to do a good job.